When I first met the director of the Jewish Labor Committee, a man named Jacob Pat, who was a legendary figure. He was a Polish Bundist who escaped from Poland. They made him the director sometime, I guess, in the late 40s. I come there in 56. I meet him in the hall. I mean, I had been hired, Manny hired me, I had my job, and I'm walking in the hall and I see this man who looks at me and says, "Wo bist du?" You know, who the hell are you? I say, ich arbeite beim Moravchik, beim the Antidiskriminatie-Division. Ah, sehr schön. What's the Namen, you know? What's your name? I say, Yankel Schlitt. I say, Schlitt? I say, yeah. A schönem Namen. He's saying to me, that's a very nice name. I say, was sagt es ist a schönem Namen? I said, weiß nicht, was meint? Don't you know what it means? Yeah, a Schlitt, a Schlittel, a sled. He said, nein, Shalit, a leader. A leader, das mein Schlitt, auf Hebräisch. Oh, I said, changed my whole personality. So I said, ich bin a Schlitt.